Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore Microsoft OneDrive sync after pending status, detailed guide step by step clearly. To restore Microsoft OneDrive sync after the pending status, begin by checking your internet connection. Ensure you are connected to a stable network as this is crucial for OneDrive to sync properly. Next, right-click the OneDrive cloud icon located in your system tray. Select the Pause Syncing option from the drop-down menu. Wait for a moment, then click the same icon again and choose Resume Syncing. This often refreshes the connection and can resolve the pending. If the issue persists, sign out of OneDrive. To do this, right-click the OneDrive icon again and select Settings. In the Account tab, click on Unlink this PC. This action can re-establish the connection and clear any syncing issues. If that doesn't work, check the file path of the folders being synced. OneDrive has a limit on the total path length, which can cause syncing problems. Make sure that the total path length does not exceed 400 characters. You might also want to check if there are any files with unsupported characters. Remove or rename files that include special characters in their names. Next, inspect your OneDrive storage quota. If your storage is full, you may need to free up space or purchase additional storage. For Windows users, open the Task Manager by right-clicking the taskbar and selecting Task Manager. In the Task Manager, locate Microsoft OneDrive under the Processes tab. Right-click it and select End Task. After that, relaunch OneDrive from the Start menu. You can also check for any software updates for your Windows operating system. Outdated software can sometimes create conflicts with applications like OneDrive. Open the Settings app, navigate to Update and Security, and select Windows Update. Install any pending updates and restart. If issues continue, visit the OneDrive website and ensure there are no service outages. Microsoft provides a service status page that can give you real-time updates on OneDrive. Lastly, if none of these solutions work, consider resetting OneDrive. To reset, press the Windows key and R together to open the Run dialog. Type in onedrive.exe/reset and press Enter. This resets OneDrive and can solve deep-rooted syncing issues. After resetting, launch OneDrive again to set it up from scratch. Following these steps should help you restore Microsoft OneDrive sync from the pending status. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.